Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin ng reaction video ang Kat Den. Ito yung mga compilation ng mga interviews nila. So basically, makikita talaga natin dito na yung tipong alam mo yung kung paano tinan nila ang isa't isa. Tapos iba't ibang interview kasi to from mula noon hanggang ngayon. Something like that. So alam mo yung dito pala makikita na natin yung progress ng kanilang relasyon. Ayan, gawa-gawa tayo ng chika. Pero feeling ko may relasyon talaga sila. Feeling ko talaga. So without further ado, let's all watch this.
Oh, ikaw kaya.
Ay, ano to?
Ayaw mo pati, sorry.
Ayaw mo pa? Pero, hi
Ang
guys,
cute ni
this is
Kat.
Richards,
This is Kat.
and we're gonna play the Who Is game.
Who is game? Okay. Who is game? Who's most likely to get caught using their phone during taping? Si Tisoy. Tisoy, Tiyan for sure.
Ay, ako?
Ay, ako.
Diba?
Ako rin ba?
Oo, I think.
Pareho na lang kami.
Kasi?
Hindi ka mag-phone usually.
Yes.
Eh,
Bawal po.
talaga ba? Paras na lang kayo. Who is more like crack joke on set? Eh, para sila.
Pangalawa
Ikaw,
lang.
nagkamaya. Taas mo okay, ikaw.
Hindi kasi parang, yun nga, since konti lang kami during the shoot, diba? Parang we only have each other. And si Joros, actually si Joros talaga yung,
Oo, si
yung
Joros.
madalas.
Si Joros.
Ayos.
Ang ice. Mahirap din kasi yung shoot namin during that time. So most of the time, we really need jokes to lighten up the mood.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ko makain si Tisoy. Hindi siya masyado kumakain.
Hindi masyado, pero si Kat kasi...
Hindi siya masyado kumakain.
Especially during and after pack up. Pag kumain nun, mapapakain ka talaga eh.
Yeah, or nape-pressure ka lang kumain.
Hindi. Gusto ko rin
Gusto
naman
mo
talaga.
kumain?
Minsan kasi di ba pag gutom ka, hindi mo alam na gutom ka pala kapag kumain ka. So when you eat, doon ko,
True.
doon ko nare-realize na gutom
ka.
pala ako.
Ako hindi ko
Gutom pala ako.
nakakalimutan. Nagutom ako.
Ayan. Chocolate.
Cute talaga tumawa ni Kat. Ang cute niya talaga tumawa, be.
Parang, actually parang opposite kami.
Oo.
Parang opposite.
Yeah.
na. Si Ethan is more like Kat.
Yes,
Joy
and Joy
is
is like...
Mm.
Similar siya kay Ethan. Si Ethan kasi yung ano eh, go, go, go lang ng go eh.
Go, go, go.
Si Joy, everything's planned. Kailangan lahat alam niya. So, ganun. Balik
Siya yung ganun.
Yeah, opposite.
Okay. What's next?
Oto ko! Ikaw kaya!
Both na lang.
Ayaw ko pati,
Both
sorry.
na
Ayaw
lang.
mo ba? Pero, akala ko sa'yo.
Feeling ko si Tisoy. Kasi, ano...
Ayaw niya talaga.
Gusto na mag-baby si Tisoy.
Iba yung kulitan nila, no? Iba talaga yung kulitan nila. Makikita mo talaga iba yung kulitan nila. But it's not during a taping.
Super Tisoy.
Super
Sobrang
Tisoy.
okay.
Open.
Super Tisoy.
Kahit saan.
Chippy baby. Baby pa kasi siya.
Tulog si Tisoy. Kasi
Baby pa kasi siya.
Shout out ko lang araw. Hindi, pagod siya lagi.
Pagod lang,
So,
pagod
nagpapahinga lang para pag on the set na,
Game na,
is
game na.
recharge na.
Yes, ako po.
Feeling. Ikaw na lang.
Compliment battle ba to?
Compliment battle.
That's kung sarili. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Words of affirmation. Words of affirmation naman pala ang kanilang, what do you call this?
Siya talaga si Joy. Kung di daw siya artista, baka nag-work abroad si
Ako
Tisoy.
yun sa
Oh. Work abroad for today's video.
Wait!
Mm,
Talaga?
ako rin.
Cutie.
Really?
Lately nakakalimot ako ng mga... Pareho kami.
Ang cute ng reaction ni Ka. Sa totoo lang.
Rooting for you,
Yeah,
Tisoy.
rooting for you.
Go, go, go,
Let's
Tisoy.
go. Let's go.
Go, 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 Tisoy.
Kaya niya yan. Asia's multimedia actor. Let's go. Yeah, kaya niya.
Kaya rin ika.
Ay, tapos na. Okay, what's next? What's next?
Yung skydiving nyo, how
Ay,
fun
ito.
was that?
Yes, parang
Mm.
so lucky to have that
Experience.
Experience.
kasi
Hindi mo kaya.
sa holiday, it was very difficult to get a slot but tinulungan tayo ng mga kapwa natin Pinoy doon.
Right.
And nagulat lang kami ako, nag-sink in lang siya sa akin by the time that I jumped off the plane.
Grabe siguro yun. Actually, hindi ko pa ito nakita ang interview na to.
To end our
Dubai
international
trip.
promo.
That's right.
Mm.
Naalala ko, full circle kayo kasi ni-request mo pala siya 2019. Parang bucket list mo siya. Parang gusto ko mag-skydiving. Di ba?
Okay. Tapos si Alden pa yung kasama.
Oo.
Noong 2019, si Alden pa talaga yung kasama niya.
Nagawa mo siya.
Oo nga eh. Binalikan nila eh. Nakita ko yung edit na yun.
Edit.
I said, yeah, I said this. Tapos ginagawa ko na. May konting tanong sa sarili ko pag talon. Ba't ko ulit ito ginawa? Yung mga
Ba't
2
ko ulit
seconds.
ito ginawa?
Let's go.
Cute na. Ba't ulit ko to ginawa?
Parang may last minute regret. Diba? Parang,
Mga 2 seconds.
mga 2 seconds.
Oo naman, kahit kapag talon eh.
So,
Kahit sa pagtalon, parang ano ba? Bakit ko to ginawa? Ganun.
Tapos, nandun na kami. Parang it was the perfect place to do it, to buy.
Yes.
And, yun, buti nakakuha ng slots, diba? What an experience.
Walang experience. Last na lang, for all your
Hi, Mega.
This is
Ay, ano to? Ay,
Alden.
eto yung hindi ko pa napanood. Ang Mega. Compliment Battle. Ay, gusto ko to. Gusto ko to.
I like your eyes.
Gusto ko to.
Thanks.
Thanks.
So, I like your...
Smile.
I like your hair.
Ay, iba.
Ngayon.
Not
ngayon.
all the time.
Iba. Not all the time.
I like your hands.
Really?
So, magka-holding hands kayo. So, magka-holding hands
How
kayo.
you care about people.
I like your dimple.
I like your back.
My back.
Yes.
Oh, I like your back too.
Parang bumabalik lang sa akin. I like how you make the atmosphere wherever.
Wherever you are light.
I like your working ethics.
Working
I
ethics.
like your acting prowess.
I like how you treat
People around. I love that.
Smile.
Totoo na yan ah. Totoo yan.
How you think of things to
Parang totoo yan. Oh my God.
Open you are when it comes to having fun.
I like how open you are in terms of everything.
I like your
I like your what?
your feet.
Oh,
Yeah, nice
Your feet.
Yeah.
Talaga?
Mario, shit, ikaw lang nagsabi sa akin.
Talaga
I
ba?
like how you treat life lightly.
I
Hmm.
like it too.
I like it.
I like how you treat your teeth.
I like how
Ngayon ko lang ito napanood as in.
to the environment just to make people around you comfortable.
Oh my God, nakakakilig pala ito yung compliment battle nila.
How you take care of me too.
I like
So
you
guys,
take care-
who do you think won?
Charis.
Down below.
Biti naman ito. Ito lang yun.
Hello guys, this is Alden.
Ay, ano
Hello,
to?
this is Catherine.
What's favorite romantic movie of all
The
time?
Notebook.
Ang dami
Yeah,
pala.
The Notebook.
The Notebook.
Yun
Ang
din
dami
after,
pala
or
talaga akong
pag
hindi
Red Flag,
napanood.
Pretty Woman. Pretty Woman. And The Notebook.
The
Yeah.
Notebook.
Ang dami pala nilang in common, no?
Ako muna.
Okay.
Caring, passionate, lovable.
Lovable.
Very
Bye-bye.
gentle, very organized.
Mega nice. I love that.
And, workaholic.
What's your favorite scene in the movie?
Feeling ko yung bench.
Yeah, me too.
The,
Yung bench.
the bench scene.
The
Can't
bench.
tell
Can't tell,
what the scene is about.
Ah,
But
Huwag niyong
Makikita
spoil.
nila yun.
yung sa nasa bench kaming
Sa
dalawa.
bench. and
Huwag niyong
overlooking.
spoil for
Yeah.
today's video.
Yes.
Who would you let go?
Who would I let
Who
go?
would you let go?
Dapat di ko pa na-let go?
Yes, dapat
So,
hindi
part pa ng life ko na.
Yes. Your one true love or your best friend. No right or wrong answer naman.
Parang di ko kaya.
Mm.
Hindi ko kaya pumili. I'm sorry, ang corny ng sagot ko.
Yeah, pero
Ikaw ba meron?
Pero-
Papaliin ka.
Mahirap din siyang sagutin. Gaya lang yun naisip ko na parang,
But what if my best friend is the love of my life? So,
Okay.
you can let go paging,
paging friends and then
pwede kayo
evolve.
mag-evolve into,
Something
something
deeper.
deeper. Or,
Deeper.
give up mo yung romance and then you can
Just-
just become friends. Yeah.
Yun.
Ganun.
And then,
Mahirap siyang sagutin talaga.
Pero
Kaya,
mahirap siya.
anong pipiliin niyo?
mahirap nga.
Burning question.
Ang
to
hindi,
someone.
ano, ni Kat. Tapos si Alden,
Sacrifice your
napaka, what do you call this?
for the person you love the most.
Of course.
Napaka-nipis. Charis.
Really?
I
You
think,
sacrifice
Really?
your
I
happiness?
think yes. Kasi,
Of
kagaya ng
course.
sabi ko dati, diba? Parang, for me, love is sacrifice.
Okay.
And I think, of course, syempre, we're now at an era naman talaga na
Mm.
people are encouraged to love themselves, diba?
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Totally.
Medyo old school lang kasi ako. So, syempre
Medyo
ako,
old
I
school.
really
I love being old
value
school.
happiness of other people.
More
Actually,
than your happiness.
More than mine.
But how about your happiness?
When I see them happy, I'm happy.
Oh, I love
So you're willing
that.
to sacrifice that kasi makuha mo din yung happiness. mo.
Yes,
Yes.
pag masaya sila. Second
I
na.
love
Yun na
that.
lang. To follow na lang.
Grabe siya talaga. That's
Eh?
the question.
Yeah.
Sa turn on na yan. Turn on na yan. Turn on na yan. Charis. Okay, what's next?
Hola!
Ay, anyways, there you go guys. Ito na for today's video. Magpa-part 2 pa tayo. Ang ganda ng mga interviews pala talaga nila. Tsaka parang yung interview nila, may mga patama sa kanila. No, hindi pong alam mo yung interview lang, pero nagpapakiramdaman sila. Hindi pong gusto nilang ilahad ang kanilang nararamdaman. Tama ba ako? Oh, parang feeling ko ganun yung feeling eh. So this is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!